To my praise bass players out there, in today's video I'll be giving you 3 hot bassline exercise, and this exercise is going to help you gain more strength, gain more stability when you are playing praise. Okay, if you're also new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below or in the description. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So we will be playing the exercise on key G major, okay, and I'll be breaking these steps into 3 major steps. Okay, very interesting. You can use this even in simple praise song. Okay, so let me be showing you what we'll be doing on this first step. 1 2 3 go. Okay, so this is the first exercise. So let's look at what I was playing. I was playing on major notes, okay, especially on the 4th string only. So 1 2 3 4 5, you understand? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1, you understand? Okay, the first thing you need to learn is learn the 1 2 3 notes, that is your do re mi, on that same string. Okay, so just learn it very well. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and try to descend. Okay, master them. Okay, then secondly, this is what I did. Okay, and the notes are 1 3 2 4, okay, 3 5. Okay, note that. Then we have 4 6, okay, 4 6 5 7 5 7 6 1, okay, 6 1 7 2 7 2 1 3. Okay, so when you're done, try doing backwards. Okay, so with the groove, okay, so 1 3 ghost note, 2 4 3 5 4, okay, then you descend. Okay, so the ghost note also matters. Okay, try and do exercise on this anytime you want to do a warm-up training. Okay, so now let's jump into the second step. Okay, 1 2 3 go. Okay, so I'll try and break it down and see how it works. Okay, so when you try doing it, you see that you'll be feeling a little bit pains over your wrist over here. Okay, just keep on doing it. Okay, so I was using the same pattern to all of the notes. Okay, so your 1, your root octave, then you have your 6 sharp and your 1. Okay, but before you play that 6 sharp, you do a ghost note, just 1 ghost note, then you play 1 2 3 your ghost note. Okay, down down to the second one. The same. Just follow the pattern, okay? Okay, so you have your 1 1 6 sharp, 1 1 2 2 1 2 2 3 3 2 3 3 4 4. You have your 2 sharp and your 4 4 5 5 4 5 5 6 6 5 6 6 7 7 6 7 7. Then you have 1 1 6 sharp 1 1. You understand? Okay, so when you master this, you can even use this in any groove, I bet you. Okay, so now let's move to the third one. 1 2 3 go. Okay, a little bit similar to the second one, but different. Okay, so so the second one, we're using just your roots and your octave on the groove. Okay, so it goes like this. Okay, so on every note you'll be hitting a ghost note. So this you won't hit, your roots, your octave you won't hit, but your 6 sharp, your 5 and your 1. Okay, then you move to your 2. Okay, so that when you are using this, you'll be able to apply more ghost notes in your groove. Okay, so I think these are the 3 exercises for praise you should normally rehearse with whenever you want to do any exercise or you want to play with something on your bass guitar. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.